Hello Cheetahs, and welcome to your Math IXL Summer Requirement tutorial. When you log into your IXL account, make sure that you are on Learning and your recommendations will pop out. You will know which ones are math because they have the square pyramid on them. Your teacher should have set for you the summer requirement, so it will say teacher recommendation, and that's how you can distinguish between that and the diagnostic test recommendations. You can also access the work by clicking on the links your teacher sent, but always make sure that you sign in so that you get credit for the work. Or another method is if you come to the top while you're still on that learning and you click on the math, it'll give you all the different links. Make sure you sort out here at the top by grade level. So if you're in 4th grade or your skills in 4th grade, because remember, your skill may not necessarily be from the grade you are currently in or the grade you are going to. It all depends. And then you will get the list, which will coincide with the list of the links that your teacher had. Now, special note, when you are working on things that are fluency based, fluency means that you are adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing small numbers, more of a mental math kind of thing. It is perfectly okay for you to redo that link several times. The idea is you want to be under that 3-minute mark. If your teacher set links for you that are not fluency, that are more, you have to work it out, you need paper, then those may be done once unless you feel you need the extra practice. Also, feel free to explore the IXL and find other links that can help you expand your knowledge in math. Again, this was a brief tutorial on IXL to help you for your summer math requirements. If you have any questions, please email your teacher or contact the office. Have a good day, Cheetahs.